Hi guys, it's Inday Vida here again. So for today's video guys is I'm going to transfer all the uh, eggplant that I grow from the tissue paper guys. So let's see. I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. Let's go it. Okay guys, so here's the eggplant today. Wow! So some of it they got leaves already guys. As you can see that. Yep. So look at that. Wow, I'm so happy guys. Successful. Successful ang atong pag-grow ng uh, eggplant. More eggplant, more harvest. So dito guys, nilagay ko na sila dito. Ayan na, yung iba, okay? So, hindi pa talaga sila lahat, guys, nilagay ko. Kasi, kailangan ko pa silang ano, tag isa-isa, guys. Kagaya nito. Kagaya nito. That one. So, let's put that over here. Yeah, it's already growing, guys. Okay? So, ito din. Aray. Slowly natin, guys, para hindi masira yung anong tawag niyan, yung roots ba. So ayan, yan ulit. Over here, lagay natin dito guys. Yan, tsaka yung maliliit dito lang din, mag-grow lang yan sila. Yan, so cover natin din sila guys. Okay, pero yung iba talaga hindi pa talaga nag-germinate guys. So kailangan pa natin mag-ano pa. Yan. So, ililipat ko lang din to sila guys sa malaking sa malaking pot or malaking garden ko. So, which is, ganyanin ko lang muna. Yeah. So, I just do it like that guys, okay? For temporary only guys, but it's better sana kung may marami pa akong pot guys. Mas maganda, itag-isa-isa na lang sila sa lagayan. Kagaya niyan, malapit nang mapuno. So, madami pa tayo dito. Sobrang dami pa. Oops. Kailangan talaga. Yan. Ayan na. So, yan lang ang pwede kong itanim dito. Kasi sobrang na siya eh. Hindi dito po sa middle. Nagkuha tayo ng one more. Isa. Yan. Dito natin ilagay guys. So, dalawa yan sila guys. As you can see. So, ayan na. So, that's all our how you call this? That's all our eggplant to this video. For today's video guys. Okay. So, I got still a lot over here that I need to transfer as you can see. So, I better do one by one. So, let's do it one by one to put that over in my other starting or growing guys planter. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay guys, so let's continue. So I didn't show you guys what I'm doing. So only this one, guys. So I just remove some of it, and then this one on top, I just put it on top after we put all the eggplant, guys. Okay, so what I need to do is just one by one. Let's remove one by one. As you can see, not totally one by one, guys, because some of it is stuck in here. So I'm gonna use 3 or 4 in here, guys. Okay, because I don't have a lot of space, guys. So then if they're growing, totally growing, guys, I just remove them, just like that one. So guys, I decided na I need to add more than I told you, guys. Okay, because I don't have a lot of space. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this all, add this in here, guys, as you can see. Just do it like that. Yeah, and as you can see, guys, it's a lot of work to do, but that's how you did. Okay. Once you do gardening, guys, you get a lot of patience and then disappointed. So that's the part of the gardening, guys. Okay. And here next. As you can see, it's a lot na. Yeah, next in here, guys. Guys. Hmm. More work to do. Oops. Wow. Okay. So guys, I think that's it for today. I just covered this, but sige, let's cover this one first. Let's wait that until it's sprouting, guys, okay? Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Bye!